How do I reset or change my MPIN for mobile banking?
Hello, today we're going to be discussing how you can reset or change your MPIN for mobile banking. Your MPIN is a crucial part of keeping your banking information secure, so it's essential to know how to update it whenever necessary.
What is MPIN?
The MPIN, or Mobile Personal Identification Number, is a unique password that you use to access your mobile banking services. It's an extra layer of security to ensure that only you can access your banking information.
Why should I reset or change my MPIN?
You might need to reset or change your MPIN if you believe that your current MPIN has been compromised, or if you simply cannot remember it. Regularly updating your MPIN also adds an extra level of security to your mobile banking.
How to reset your MPIN?
The process to reset your MPIN varies from bank to bank, but there are general steps that apply to most mobile banking applications. 1. Open your mobile banking app. The first step is to open your mobile banking application on your phone. 2. Navigate to the Profile or My Account section. Look for these or similar options in the menu of your mobile banking app. 3. Find the Change MPIN option. This option is often found in the Security or Settings submenu under your profile or account details. 4. Follow the prompts to change your MPIN. You may need to input your old MPIN if you remember it. If you have forgotten your MPIN, there should be a Forgot MPIN option that you can click.
How to secure your new MPIN?
After resetting your MPIN, you want to ensure it remains secure. Here are a few tips to help. Create a complex MPIN. Include a mix of numbers and letters if possible, and avoid using easily guessable information like birth dates or sequential numbers. Do not share your MPIN. Never disclose your MPIN to anyone, not even to bank officials. Remember, it's meant to be a personal identification number. Change your MPIN regularly. Updating your MPIN every few months adds an extra layer of security to your account. That's all there is to changing or resetting your MPIN for mobile banking. Remember to keep your MPIN secure by changing it regularly and ensuring it is a number that's hard to guess. If you have any trouble, don't hesitate to contact your bank's customer service for help. Stay safe and happy banking.